Strategy planning is typically a costly and ineffective process, with expensive travel, arduous in-person workshops, and poor alignment and buy-in from the stakeholders. ThinkTank's digital engagement software enables leaders of strategy programs to use ready-made templates for strategy definition and team alignment, guiding large, geographically distributed groups of people along a journey to successful and aligned outcomes. Leaders invite all stakeholders to ThinkTank through a simple, secure link and password. And wherever they are around the world, people can join live or self-paced strategy sessions via their laptop, iPad, or phone. Once the leader has configured their stakeholder journey in ThinkTank and invited everyone aboard, they begin directing the group through a series of collaborative activities, starting with an overview presentation, agenda, and aligning everyone on the process. From the get-go, team members can comment and engage, both anonymously or named, so the leader can set context for the activity and drive alignment in objective and purpose. In this example, we'll be using a collaborative strategic SWOT analysis that will be co-created by the whole group. Tens or even hundreds of participants can contribute simultaneously using a crowdsource activity that generates high-quality stakeholder input via smartphone or web browser from anywhere in the world. As the contributions and ideas come in, the leader has an intuitive set of color-coded grouping tools they can use on the fly to collectively organize all the content. It takes the group seconds to distill hundreds of ideas that would normally take hours or days after the session, versus in real time with ThinkTank. Now the leader can organize and browse the content via category and refocus the team on critical areas, as well as using other tools for participants to tag stakeholder input with bookmarks so they can be pulled forward into other activities. The participants also have the ability to upvote ideas and comments they like, enabling the facilitator to browse and view the most popular content as upvoted by the group. In a fraction of the time it takes an in-person, flipchart-based workshop to scratch the surface of such an activity, ThinkTank has already moved the team through the SWOT analysis with a digital trail of input that can be instantly compiled into a format that the participants can prioritize and vote upon. Now the leader uses a ThinkTank feature called Event Flow to pull the team's most salient, bookmarked content into an interactive voting and prioritization activity, using intuitive grids and rating sliders that enable the leader of the strategy session to rapidly convert the content into rich charts and graphs for discussion, analysis, and insight. The embedded analytic tools help the leader to observe gaps and misalignments among the group, refocusing them on areas to address the most, and visually assessing the most important aspects of the strategy using intuitive bubble charts, data grid summaries, and heat maps. In a fraction of the time and cost of a traditional strategy workshop, ThinkTank has aligned the group around a strategic assessment, and now it's time to set and prioritize some goals. Again, the leader uses crowdsourcing in ThinkTank to elicit input from the team and employs smart features that help them merge ideas and goals of a similar theme, so that the group can drive rapid consensus, and then move on to picking out their top 5 goals of focus. With the team aligned around strategy, priorities, and now their top 5 goals, the leader now moves the group into an exercise to generate a clear and accountable set of actions that can be assigned to leadership and the global team. Once the actions have been rapidly sourced and captured, all that's left to do before generating some reports is to engage the participants in some feedback on the session and the process, allowing them to share praise and constructive input that will further drive successful execution of the strategy. When the sessions are over, the leader can instantly generate rich reports and Excel data files with all content conveniently organized in a format for digestion by management, or a strategy execution system of record like a PPM or agile planning tool. If the leader found the session that they configured to be effective and would like to use it routinely for strategy engagement, it can be promoted to an app template that can be used consistently, time and time again, and launched to any group with a single click. If you'd like a demo of this or any other ThinkTank intelligent stakeholder engagement solution, please contact us today.